Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So it's Saturday night, you guys, and for Sunday reset we won't be having a cleaning video. We'll be doing a cooking video. So I will be doing rice and peas and barbecue chicken for dinner on Sunday. So what I'm gonna do tonight is season up the chicken, put it in the fridge, so tomorrow it will be already seasoned for cooking. So I'll be using onion, garlic, pepper. What's the again? Try name again. Rosemary. Jerk season. Some cloves, scallion, and thyme. Guys, so while I was adding the seasoning, the powder seasoning to the chicken, I thought it was videoing, but I realized it was not videoing. So let me just show you guys what I put in it. So I did the cock soup. I didn't use the noodle parts, I sieve it out, you know. I put pinch of salt because I didn't want enough salt in it. I put a small amount of rosemary. And I put some powder seasoning, which is jerk seasoning and chicken seasoning mixed together. So I put 2 tablespoons of the powder seasoning, and I also put some cloves that I have in this bag. Pepper. It's all seasoned and stuff and smells really good. So I'm going to leave this overnight to marinate in the fridge, and tomorrow it will be all ready for cooking. And I know, guys, it's going to taste really good. So stay tuned, guys, for the outcome. To the oil, I add 2 pegs of garlic. The oil is not hot as yet. I don't want it to be too hot, but I want the oil to burn because it is fresh oil. Okay, so in this bowl I have flour, and this bowl is for the egg and the milk. So to the flour, I'm going to add some baking powder. So guys, while I wait on the peas and the chicken to fry, I'm just going to do some vegetables. don't like the garlic in the peas and in the rice. So I'm going to take out the garlic, add some skeleton and thyme, coconut milk and cock soup, and that's that. Some sugar and salt. Okay guys, so now I'm about to do some barbecue sauce. So I have this barbecue sauce, but I want to add my own flavor to the barbecue sauce. So I'm going to use some tomatoes. There are some small tomatoes that we pick on the outside in the backyard. So I'm going to use some of these to make some sauce, and then I add the barbecue sauce to it. I'm just going to squeeze out their seeds. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce to what I made. Smells so good, guys. So I'm going to allow all the tomatoes to boil out and the sauce to boil and get thick. And I'm going to pour all of this over the chicken. Guys, so now that the barbecue sauce is all done, I'm going to pour all of this over the chicken, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then it's ready. And over here I'm making gravy. I'm just using the remainder of what was left from when I seasoned the chicken, and I add some potato and some carrots to it. It smells so good and it tastes so good, and I also add coconut milk and cock soup. Can't go wrong with coconut milk and cock soup, guys. So guys, the barbecue is all done. Isn't it looking lovely? And it smells so delicious, guys. So now it's time for dinner. Okay guys, so it's now dinner time and everybody's around the table and all ready to have our dinner. So we're gonna say our grace, our prayer, and then we're gonna enjoy our food.
Barbecue tastes good.
Barbecue?
How it tastes, Jessica?
It's yummy.
How it tastes, Justin?
Good.
How it tastes, Jamaya? It tastes better. Thumbs up, okay.